So sick. Hi guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel with another new video. This is my hair transformation video. Ta-da! Oh my god, I haven't colored my hair since a year now. Like the last time I colored my hair, which was like reddish. I also have the vlog of that particular hair color on my channel, so if you want to watch that, I'll leave the link here. I got my hair color last year on my 24th birthday, like exactly on my birthday. I partnered with L'Oreal that day, and you know, I walked the ramp and everything. But keeping all that aside, today is my hair transformation day and I am excited AF, if you cannot tell from my face right now. So I have like almost reached, and I just before going to the salon, I just thought I'll quickly tell you guys what this video is going to be about. Basically, I asked you guys on Instagram that you know, you guys just help me pick my hair color. So this video is basically Instagram followers chooses my hair color. Okay. So I gave two options. One was you know, something with cherry red, and one was an ombre caramelish color. So I'm confused between these two colors, and I will just show you what most of you guys voted for. Hold on. Oh god. So you see, I gave on two options here, and most of you voted for ombre caramel. I really like the red one too, but then you guys chose this, so we are gonna go with ombre caramel. Okay, this is going to be the first time I'm going to try something like this, but I'm going to talk to the stylist there and see what he suggests on this particular hair color, and if it's possible to get that kind of color in my hair. So yeah, we're going to see. I'll just quickly go to the salon and we'll start the vlog from there. Let's go.
A few moments later.
I have reached the salon, but parking ka itna issue ho raha hai. I'm not able to find the right parking. There are no parking space available right here. It's like what, 12:30 almost, and I'm feeling hungry, plus I'm feeling like super hot as well, and you know, I'm still not able to find the parking. So the salon guy is helping me with that. I'm gonna go with two shades, which is, the one is the 12th shade right here, and another one is 6.5 or 7.5. So we're gonna have a blend of these two, and that is what we're gonna do on my hair. My hair has almost no color right now, as you can see. Like, there's legit no color, but we're gonna go with this. I just spoke to the stylist and this is what they suggested. Basically, this is like my inspiration.
Hi everyone, I'm doing pre-lighting for her, and I'm doing hair painting for her.
She's Darshana from the Matrix team, and she's you know, transforming my hair. As she was saying, she's doing pre-lighting for now, and then we're gonna move on to the final color. So we are done with pre-lightening. We've kept the pre-lightening thing on my hair, and we're gonna keep it for another 20 minutes, I think. And once that is done, we are gonna just wash my hair and put the actual color. So yeah, we gotta wait for like 20 minutes more. I look stupidly funny. I'm nervous. I just want to open and see what the color has turned out, but I cannot.
1 hour later.
I don't even know what color you're going for. I don't even know what color you're going for. I think I can see.
What?
I think I can see the color.
Loving the pre-lighting already. Can't wait for the final. What?
Can you show us?
Show what? So this is what my color looks. My hair color looks right now. It's just the pre-lighting that's been done, and the yellow tone hair that is on my natural hair, and the hair which is looking a bit like coppery, that's on my red hair. Looking so nice.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Matrix, we are applying 6.5 and 12.35.
12.5.
So these are the shades we are using, and you'll get a look of caramel candy.
Okay, that is the look that we are basically aiming for, and
Yes.
I think it's gonna take another like half an hour, and
Yes.
post that we can reveal the look, right?
Yes, another
Yeah.
half an hour, and then you are styling.
Yeah. hair, and it's been almost like 4 hours since I'm sitting on this chair and I'm so sleepy. Although I ate something in between, like I had something from McDonald's and I also had coffee just a while ago, but yeah, I have been sitting since 4 hours now and I have to wait another 20 minutes. Then we're gonna wash the hair off.
346 minutes later.
So hair color is done and it's now being washed. Only waiting for the final reveal. I'm like waiting what the color would look like. Experiencing.
Oh yeah.
Much later.
What? How was your nap?
It took 5 hours.
Yeah, because it's not.
It's lovely. It's lovely. Darshana, come to the video. Okay, so this is what the final color looks like and I am totally loving it. I mean, we did not even expect it to turn out so good, but it did. And all thanks to Darshana because she's the creator behind this entire hair today.
So thank you so much for lovely patience and for such a time you spent with me. And this is what the look front of you guys.
Yeah, it looks amazing. We actually spent like 5 hours, right?
Yes.
5 hours to actually, you know,
Get
achieve
this hair painting done.
done.
And this is a candy collection.
Yeah, I'll be leaving all the details in the description, so you make sure you check that out. Can they contact you?
Yes, yes.
They can. Okay. Okay, I'll leave Darshana's handle in the somewhere here on the screen, so you can get in touch with her if you have any hair color queries, and she'll respond to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Meanwhile.
हाँ, थोड़ा पीछे आप.
Okay, so I am finally done and dude, I love my hair so much. I mean, this is such a big change for me because for the longest time I did not color my hair other than reds or, you know, similar shades, but I went like all in this time and I've achieved what I was looking for. I've got this like caramelish chocolatey blend which I don't know, I wanted the exact same thing, and you know, it's right on my hair right now. I love it way too much, and I'm like really happy with the way it turned out. Like we sat for almost 5 hours, like more than 5 hours in fact. I mean almost like 6 hours now, but we're finally done and I'm so happy. And I just want to thank you all as well to choose this color for me. Like you know, I kept a poll and you all chose like an ombre caramel shade for me, and I am so happy that you guys chose that for me. So yeah, a big thank you to all of you who voted for ombre caramel as well. And yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, by the way, I came to the salon called Bounce here in Borivali West. So in case you want to get your hair color done or any services done, they provide a lot of services. So just a big shout out for them because they were really you know, helpful throughout the entire process today. The service was top notch, so I just want to give them like a shout out on my end. And I think that's about it, and I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Anyway, you guys know the drill. If you had fun watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll be seeing you guys on Sunday. Bye, take care. Anyway, yeah, if you had fun watching this video, don't forget to give it you
The thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit
Not
that
your-
bell icon.
bell icon. And yeah, I'll be seeing क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ?
See you on the Korean show.
And-
I'll be